so-called goofs are being normalized, and nostalgic depression is being wrapped up on fucking steroids. The future don't matter to a lot of people because their heads are too far up their ass with other just endless fucking distractions. They actually think that the GIMP right is going to do something for them. And then you got these commie left. It's absolutely insanity. The clowns that are on the left, they're against fascism and all this shit that they so-called say, but yet they support government and all the crap that they do. The right constantly talks about being against all these things, and what do? Absolutely shit. It's insane that goofs and people peddling nostalgic shit that does absolutely fuck all for your future. And then shit like this tiptoes in. Give them an inch and they take it a mile. Article 10 and the freedom of speech, freedom of expression. Seems to only apply to certain people, certain nerds. And then you have all these fake Christians that claim to be Christians, but yet do absolutely nothing to stand up for children or what's happening to children. How they're constantly being millstoned. They're being hypersexualized to the point where where does it stop? You see more people doing videos about not current things, but just things that have absolutely nothing to do with their future or what's to come, but yet with everything that's happening in this world, we're like, no. Gonna play a video game or an NPC. They talk about an NPC. Fuck, man, look at how people are acting like NPCs. It's like they have no ability to think for themselves or to make judgment on what's happening around them. For the insanity of, I can't wrap my fucking head around it, how everyone thinks that the government actually has your best interest at heart. They have faith in their government, not God. Instead of focusing on current events, they want to be stuck in this magical horseshit that you don't even have. And then you get all these other this fake movement to these Christians or these truthers that act like that they're all there for all these people, but yet when it really comes down to it, they're not there for shit. I think it's kind of funny when you see people saying, "Oh, if you ever need to talk or if you ever need a hand, let me know." I see a lot of people that need help, and they get just sidelined. But it's amazing to watch. It's absolutely amazing to watch, especially when people are they hand out money to people that are doing this shit, but yet people that need it, that actually truly do need the money, not for drugs or for alcohol or any other leisure activity. So the whole point was is when I was talking about if this is how people treat their loved ones, well, how the fuck are they going to treat their enemies? It's like they neglect that part out of the Bible. Cherry picking. But the trajectory that we're going right now, with the healthcare, with the infrastructure, this is leading down to a dark, fucked up future for everyone. Ignoring, absolutely just totally ignore it. Not happening. Yeah, there's no people coming here, and it's not going to stress out the system. It's absolutely amazing. But no, let's go watch a guy who's going to talk about endless horse shit. Or like another YouTuber that I was told about. I'm not going to mention his name. But yeah, if you go watch his video from 3 years ago, this dude's talking about timelines and whatnot, and he's talking about Jesus. And then when you skip forward, yeah, it's amazing to watch these people. Everywhere leads everywhere, but away from everything leads away from Jesus with these people. It's not just what they say, it's what they don't do. There's a lot of fickle people out there. What's the point to all this is that I guess I'm ranting about this because it's more than obvious that the bars just keep slipping and slipping and slipping. Nobody wants to try to hold it. Nobody wants to try to uphold any morals. And they talk about sin. And about how could you get any further if you can't even see your own sin. Or the neglect of what you should be doing, or what we should be doing. Because it's not normal for this kind of. This isn't normal for. This isn't a normal future for children. It's nothing but absolute control. Especially when they're using, well, they're claiming that they're using AI. They're not just using AI to do all this monitoring and all this other bullshit. They got people doing it too. The frustration level is just, it's not going to get any better. It's just day after day, you see one thing after the other with this. I don't know, I guess the children thing really has me pissed off. I guess that's an understatement. Got a lot of sick bastards and a bunch of creeps running the show. Yeah, so I don't know, I guess this was just a rant. But they have no obligations to nature. The natural order of God, God orderly direction.